Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register Etisalat SIM card online in 2026. So the easiest way to start is by downloading the E and UAE application on your smartphone. In order to do this, you just have to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for E and UAE application. So when you are able to find this app, simply tap on the option of install in order to install it. Once the installation is completed, simply tap on the option of open in order to launch it. So when you open the application, its interface is going to look something like this. Over here on the home page itself, you are going to see this section that says quick tasks. In the quick tasks, the third option would be of activate SIM. So over here, you need to tap on the option of activate SIM. Now it is going to ask you to activate your SIM. Now it may ask you to log in first. So when you tap on the option of login, or when you are here on the login page, you can either enter your E and UAE account number in order to log in into your account. If you don't have it, you can also log in here with the help of your UAE pass. So this is the most reliable method because it automatically shares your verified digital identity and the Emirates ID details with Etisalat. So if you don't have UAE pass, you can just simply log in with the help of your mobile number or an OTP password. So when you log in into your account, you can select the specific mobile number or the account that you want to register. The application is going to basically ask you to provide your identification. If you are using the UAE pass, you just have to simply approve it when the notification pops up to share your documents instantly. If you are not using UAE pass, you will need to scan your physical Emirates ID. So you may be asked to complete a quick face scan for biometric verifications. Just follow the on-screen instructions to blink or smile at your camera. Once it is finished, review your details, click on the option of submit, and you will receive a confirmation SMS within a few minutes. So this way you will be able to register your Etisalat SIM card online in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.